Welcome to the ultimate guide to starting an online business in 2024. This is the era when the virtual world is not just a part of our reality, it is our reality. The internet, once a luxury, is now a necessity, a global marketplace bustling with opportunities. If you're listening to this, you're already tapping into the pulse of this new age. The world of e-commerce and online entrepreneurship has grown exponentially, transforming the way we conduct business, the way we connect, and the way we create. In 2024, the digital landscape is an exciting venture. It's a world that rewards innovation, thrives on connection, and is driven by the relentless pursuit of solving problems and creating value. The online business landscape is diverse and dynamic, and it's waiting for your unique contribution. So let's embark on this journey together because in an ever-evolving digital landscape, starting an online business is an exciting venture. The first step is to identify profitable niches and trends. This involves conducting market research to validate your business ideas. Start by understanding the current landscape and identifying gaps in the market. What are consumers seeking that they're not getting right now? What trends are emerging that could present new opportunities for your business? Exploring emerging markets is also a vital part of this process. By keeping an eye on global trends, you can tap into markets that are ripe for innovation. Look for areas where new technologies or societal changes are creating unique needs and opportunities. Once you've identified potential niches and trends, the next step is to validate these ideas. This can be done through surveys, interviews, or even by launching a minimal viable product to gauge interest. Remember, a lucrative idea is the foundation of a successful online business. Differentiation is key in a competitive market. This statement rings true for every business, but even more so when you're stepping into the bustling world of online entrepreneurship. What sets you apart? Why should customers choose you over countless others? The answer lies in your unique value proposition, or UVP. Your UVP is not just a catchy tagline, it's the essence of your business, the core promise you make to your customers. It's what makes you different, better, or more attractive to your target audience. It's that unique blend of product quality, customer service, pricing, or whatever else you bring to the table that no one else can. Crafting a compelling UVP requires a deep understanding of your market, your competitors, and most importantly, your customers. What do they value? What are their pain points? Your UVP should address these and resonate with them at a fundamental level. Remember, your UVP is what sets you apart from the competition. Make it count. A solid business plan is essential for any startup. It's the foundation that supports your entrepreneurial dreams. So let's dive into the key components of a compelling business plan. First off, you have your executive summary. This is your elevator pitch, a brief presentation of your business idea and how it will succeed. It's crucial to make it clear, concise, and engaging. Next, we have the company description. Here, you'll detail your business, the problem it solves, and why it's unique. Then comes the market analysis. This part requires a deep understanding of your industry, including knowledge about your competitors and your target audience. Afterwards, we delve into organization and management, outline your business structure, share information about the ownership, and introduce your team. The fifth component is your product line or services. Describe what you're selling or the service you're providing, and explain how it benefits your customers. Lastly, we have financial projections. This section is where you convince your investors that your business is a good financial risk. A well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success. Once you have your plan in place, it's time to build your online presence. One of the first steps is choosing a domain name that's catchy, easy to remember, and relevant to your business. Remember, your domain name is essentially the address of your online store, so it's important to get it right. Next, setting up your website. This is your digital storefront, so consider its design and navigation. It should reflect your brand, be user-friendly and intuitive. There are numerous website builders out there, so choose one that best suits your needs and skill level. Finally, selecting the right e-commerce platform is key. This is where you'll manage your products, process orders, and handle customer service. Some platforms cater to specific industries or types of products, so do your research and choose wisely. A strong online presence is crucial in the digital age. Now let's dive into marketing strategies and e-commerce solutions. When it comes to marketing, content is king. Developing a content plan is vital for attracting and retaining a clearly defined audience. It's about creating relevant, consistent content that resonates with your customers and leads them on a journey from awareness to action. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing and brand building. It's a space to interact with your audience, share your story, and showcase your products or services. Remember, it's not about being everywhere. It's about being where your audience is and engaging them in meaningful ways. Email marketing is another effective strategy. It allows you to build relationships with potential customers, keep your brand top of mind, and drive conversions. But it's not about flooding inboxes, it's about delivering value that makes your audience look forward to your emails. Now, on to e-commerce solutions. It's crucial to choose the right platform that suits your business model and needs. Whether you're into dropshipping or print on demand, your platform should be able to handle your inventory and order fulfillment seamlessly. Next, let's talk about payment gateways. In the world of online business, trust is currency. Integrating secure payment gateways not only gives your customers confidence, but also enhances their shopping experience. It's about providing multiple, convenient payment options without compromising security. And lastly, managing inventory. It can be a complex process, but with the right tools and practices, you can ensure that you have the right amount of products available at the right time. It's about striking a balance between meeting customer demand and minimizing storage costs. With effective marketing and e-commerce solutions, you can reach and serve your customers efficiently. As your business grows, it's important to scale effectively and track your performance. Scaling doesn't simply mean expanding rapidly, it's about growing your business in a way that maximizes efficiency and profitability. This can mean outsourcing tasks, automating processes, or even launching new product lines. But remember, every business is unique, so what works for one might not work for another. The key is to remain flexible and adaptable as your business evolves. Outsourcing is a powerful tool for scaling your business. It frees up your time so you can focus on what you do best: running your business. Think about the tasks that consume your time but could be done by someone else. These could be things like accounting, customer service, or even content creation. You can hire freelancers, use virtual assistants, or engage the services of specialized companies. Now let's talk about tracking performance. It's crucial to understand how your business is doing. This is where analytics tools come in. These tools can help you monitor everything from website traffic to sales conversions. They give you a clear picture of what's working and what's not, so you can make informed decisions. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are the metrics you need to track to measure your business's success. These could include the number of new customers, revenue growth, customer retention rates, or even social media engagement. Remember to choose KPIs that align with your business goals. Data-driven decision-making is the cornerstone of successful business management. It involves making decisions based on data analysis and interpretation. This means you're not just making guesses or relying on intuition, but making strategic decisions based on facts and figures. In conclusion, scaling your business isn't just about growing bigger, it's about growing smarter. And tracking performance ensures you have the information you need to make data-driven decisions. So, as you embark on your journey to scale, remember to keep a close eye on your performance indicators and use the data to guide your growth strategy. Scaling and tracking are key to maintaining and boosting your business success. We've covered a lot today, from market research to scaling your business. We've painted a vivid picture of the dynamic landscape of online entrepreneurship in 2024 and explored the many aspects of building a successful online business. We've delved into identifying profitable niches, crafting a unique value proposition, and building a robust business plan. We've also touched upon the legalities and regulatory considerations and the importance of building an effective online presence. We've discussed in depth about marketing strategies, e-commerce solutions, and the vital role of customer service. We've also looked at the significance of analytics and keeping up with technological advances. You've learned about the common challenges you might face and heard inspiring success stories. Now it's your turn. Use this knowledge, take these insights, and start your journey. Create your own success story. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your online business journey today.